All right, guys, so we got our quick link put together. We got our chain. We're on the 11th cog. We've got our rear derailleur, our cable, and our housing set properly. And then we're attached down here. So we're looking good. And so before I set that out, this barrel tightener, I had turned it this way, all the way until it stopped, and then I backed it out about 4 or 5. And I don't want to pull this cable too tight as I'm trying to get this the clamp set up. I'm just going to set it in there and then take the adjustment out with the barrel adjuster up there, because sometimes you pull it too much and you set the you mess up your adjustment back here with your derailleur with your cable tension. So that's what I do. So let's see how it looks so far. So sounds pretty good. And I've only got one hand right now, so there's 1, 2, it's actually we're in gear 3 now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will happen is we'll start getting into where we can't shift and we'll need to adjust the B screw. So far, so good. You hear how quiet that is? Try to keep up with the prehab. That's what you're listening for. Okay, so now we're having some issues, right? So I'll go down a gear, back to where it sounds real nice. Come over here, and this is where I need to start giving myself a little bit of space on the B screw. So let's see if I can find a good angle. So I'm gonna go down a little bit, maybe a 1/4 inch or so. That was about a 1/2 turn, 3/4 turn. So let's see how it does now. So we go up 1 gear. Still don't want to play. It's gonna be screwed. A box of what, babe? No, no juice yet. Have some water if you're thirsty. So another 1/2 turn there. All right. Sounds real good. Let's see what happens. Still 50. So I would say that's pretty close to the proper amount of B screw. So for reference, I am, let's see, not too far out, 5 threads or so. Not too bad. I'm talking about backpedaling. So there we go, backpedaling, right? I don't know how long you guys want to see this for, but it backpedals a lot, very well. So again, listen to pretty smooth. And this is an oval, so if you're seeing a little bit of movement here, because it's an oval chainring. All right, let's see if we can downshift. Pretty good. Okay, so look at that. So that looks like, see how it didn't sit in the narrow wide and it's sitting up top? So when I start backpedaling, it's gonna wanna fall off. So that's something that I've noticed that with the new cassette, when you're setting it up, it wants to do that every once in a while. But when you start riding it, because this is the second one I put the other one on my daughter's bike, and I don't have that issue. You don't have it when it's riding it. It finds that narrow wide pretty well. So as long as it's set up right, but that's what you get. That's what the issue I had when I tried that XTR 9100 was that's all it wanted to do because of the spacing and the pole ratio wasn't correct for the traditional 11 speed. So that's more backpedaling. Yes, it backpedals. Let's try. Let's go back down a gear. We'll come back up. Yeah, I found it again. So I'm not worried about that. I'll ride it around and then I'll post up if that continues to be an issue. But if it is, then I'm just going to give it maybe a little bit more B-screw just so I can help find that narrow wide a little bit better. But like I said, when you start riding it, I haven't seen that issue a single time when I'm riding, once it's set up right. If it's not set up right, then it stays like that and it gets a little dicey. Worrying about pulling one of these little aluminum teeth off. So that's all I've got for now, and I hope you enjoyed. Ztto lightweight 11 speed 11T to 50T cassette.